Hey everyone! I've got something super exciting to share today, Foraging Secrets. Have you ever looked at the plants around you and wondered if they were edible? Well, this guide shows you exactly how to identify and use wild plants, and I'm honestly amazed at how much I've learned. The best part? It's beginner-friendly. The step-by-step instructions and illustrations make it so easy to get started, even if you've never foraged before. It's not just about food either. The book dives into medicinal plants too, talk about natural healing. One thing I didn't expect? You can forage in urban areas too. Yes, even if you live in a city, there are wild plants you can use. And the sustainability aspect? I love how it teaches you how to forage responsibly, without damaging the environment. Now, I'm finding plants in my own backyard that I never realized I could eat or use for health. Plus, the bonus sections on mushrooms and preserving plants are so helpful. If you're curious about foraging or just want to learn more about nature's bounty, Foraging Secrets is definitely worth checking out. You'll be amazed at what's around you. Check the link in the description, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more sustainable living tips. See you soon.